Good evening. In today's session, we will discuss about how to implement SCD1 without using slowly changing dimension object. So you can very easily design with the help of wizard, slowly changing dimension object wizard, but how to do this process without using that wizard? For that, first of all, you should know what is SCD1. What is SCD1? It tells that we should maintain only current data. It should allow to make some changes, but only current data should be maintained. Historical data should not present. So for example, I am trying to take one table. Source table as src underscore emp1. This is the table I am using. With the columns employee number, employee name, designations I am having. Name is Ravi and designation is a junior developer. So there is one record at my source. And I am having a target table called as destination table dim underscore emp1 underscore indt. Dim underscore emp1 underscore indt. So in my source table there is one record 101 Ravi junior developer and my destination table is empty. So my source is consisting three fields. Something like ENO, ename, designation. Now ENO, I am taking this ENO field as key. That means with respect of that only we will try to check whether record is available or not. And ename, I am considering this as a fixed attribute. Means I am not checking up whether that value is changed or not, because once it is written, after that it is not allowed to make any change if it is a fixed attribute. So I will not consider whether it is having any changes or not. And when it comes to the designation, I am saying that I want to work as an SCD1. Means what? It is a changing attribute. Changing attribute means only current data it should consist. So we will try to apply this particular logic. So what is the designation or destination table means? So I am trying to take the destination with the fields like E key. I am making this as an identity column. Next ENO, ename, designation, and we are saying it is in current data, so no need to maintain any separate field to identify which is history and which is current, because there is no question of historical data in this table, as we are saying, designation is a changing attribute. So how do you implement this logics? Here E key, no need to consider that because it is an identity column, so that value will be generated automatically. So only for remaining fields you should design the business process. So we are trying to take OLEDB source for the table src underscore emp1. And we are not using any wizard, but if you want to implement SCD, first thing what you need to is you need to check the record is available or not in the destination. Means what? You should have a lookup object. So place a lookup. So on which table? dim underscore emp1 underscore INDT. This is my destination table. So based on that, I need to place a lookup. Search for that particular employee record. Now, if you came to know that record is not available, simply that means no match records. Go with OLEDB destination and insert that record dim underscore emp1 underscore identity. Insert that record. But if you came to know that record is already available, then I need to change the record. If I want to change the record means I need OLEDB command. But before updating record, you need to know is there any change or not. Simply you should not update, because if record, sometimes the record may be exactly same. If record is exactly same, then no meaning to modify the record. So check is there any difference between your source designation and what is the designation you got from the lookup. Then how do you check that? With the help of conditional split. Check is there any change in the designation or not. If you came to know that there is some change, then only you try to modify the record with the help of OLEDB command. With the help of OLEDB command. So this is the objects you should use if you are working with a manual process without using wizards. What are the record you are getting from source? Check whether the record is available or not. If you came to know that record is not there, then straight away send it to the OLEDB destination, ask to insert it. If it is already existing, check is there any difference in the designation or not. If difference is there, then only ask you to update the record. See here, it is matched rows and this is no match rows. So we'll try to implement this. So once again I'm implementing slowly changing dimension or SCD1 without using wizard, and I'm implementing only for one field. So new SSIS package, change the package name, I'm saying SCD1, drag the data flow task, double click on the data flow task, place the source object, double click on it, new, choose the source object, click on OK and specify the table, that is SRC underscore EMP1. Columns, I am trying to take all the 3 columns, ENO, E-name, designation. Okay. Then whatever the record you are getting from this source, I want to check whether this record is available in the destination or not. So for that purpose, I will be placing a lookup transformation. Lookup, link this OLEDB source to the lookup, double click on the lookup, choose as in full cache, OLEDB connection manager, redirect rows to no match output because you want to use matched rows as well as non-matched rows. Select the connection on the left side, provide the connectivity. So we need to search in the destination, so click on new, choose the destination connection. Okay. What is the table means? dim underscore emp1 underscore INDT. Then columns, provide the condition. I want to search with respect of employee number, so I am linking this employee number. Now if the record is available, I want to pick up E key of the record as well as designation of that record. So if record is already existing, then I need to update that record with respect of E key. So that is the reason I am trying to know what is the E key of that particular record. Same way, if there is any change in the designation, then only I should update. Means you should know what is the designation you are getting from source as well as what is an existing designation of destination table for that employee. So to know the existing designation, I am placing check mark for DSG. To clearly understand what are these fields, we will change these names as E key underscore LKP to understand that these values you are getting from the lookup. Then click on OK. So once you got from the lookup, if it is non-existing row, simply have to insert it. So drag and drop OLEDB destination, link this lookup to OLEDB destination and say no match output. If record is not there, then only I want to insert. So choose as a no match output. Click on OLEDB destination, choose the destination connection, data access mode as tabular view, and the table name is dim underscore emp1 underscore INDT. Mappings, map the columns. Here E key we are not mapping anything. ENO, E-name designation mapping, but E key you are having as an identity column in the destination table that will be generated automatically. So click on OK. After that, if it is a matched row, what is the designation you are getting from source and what you got from existing lookup object? Are they same or not? I want to know. So for that purpose, I will place a conditional split. Link your lookup to conditional split, double click on conditional split. Now if designations are not the same, then only I want to update the record. So E key of, not E keys, designations you need to compare. Designation what you got from the lookup, if it is not equal to the designation what you got from source, if they are not same, then I will carry to the next level. For next level means to update the record. How do you update? Means with the help of OLEDB command. Link this conditional split to OLEDB command, case 1. Okay. Double click on this OLEDB command, specify the connection here as a destination, go to the component properties and write the update statement. Update, what is the table name? Dim underscore emp1 underscore INDT. Set designation is equal to question mark. What is the new value you are getting? That value you have to pass here. For which record? Where E key is equal to question mark. What is the value you are getting from the conditional split? Based on that, we need to implement. So this is the query. 2 question marks you are having. First question mark is belonging to designation, and second question mark is belonging to E key. So click on OK button, then go to the column mappings and then map the parameters. So param 0 is nothing but first question mark. For that, what is that? It is a designation. What you are getting from source, that you should link it up. There are 2 designation things are there. One is related to source, another thing is what you got from lookup. Here we need to update with the new designation, that means the value what you are getting from source. So I will choose as a DESG, and parameter 1 is nothing but the key what you are getting from the lookup, that means E key underscore LKP. Choose that particular field, then click on OK button. This is what SCD1 related to designation. Only for one column you are implementing. Save this and we will try to execute this. Now source table is having one record, destination is empty. So what it should do? It should insert this record into the destination table. We will observe that whether it is doing it or not. Execute this package, start. Execution is done. So it is one row is passed to lookup, and if you observe, lookup no match output is one row. That row is not existing, so it came to lookup no match output and went for validity destination and is inserted. Lookup match output, if you say observe, it is not showing any rows at all. So only that single row is passed to validity destination and it is inserted the record. Check in the database. That record is inserted. Now we will make some changes in the source place. I will say update src underscore emp1 set designation is equal to senior developer, where ENO is equal to 101, as well as I will try to add one new record. Insert into src underscore emp1 values 102, name is for example Kiran, and the designation is junior tester. So if you observe in the source and destination, source is having 2 records, destination is having 1 record. Now if you observe between these two, 101 record is available in the destination, but designation is different. So it should modify the designation. It should not add one more record. In the existing record only, the designation should be changed. And 1 or 2 employee record is not available, so it should perform insert activity. For Ravi record, some updation should happen. For one Kiran record, insertion should happen. Execute the package. Start. And here if you observe, lookup received 2 rows, and those 2 rows if you observe, 1 row is gone for matched output and 1 row for no match output. So what is the row you got as a no match output? It went for validity destination for insert, that is Kiran record, and 101 Ravi record is came as matched output, went for conditional split, and there is a change in the designation by saying junior developer and senior developer. So the record is updated. Check in the database. So here the designation of Ravi record is modified and the second record is inserted. For example, we will execute as it is once again. What happened here? Senior developer is there, here also senior developer is there. So it is a matched record, it goes to the conditional split, checks the designation, but designations are same, but we wrote a condition is not same. That means condition is failure, so it will stop the record at that location. Same for second record, the designation is same, so even that will stop at conditional split. We'll execute it. Start. So here if you observe, no match output is 0, nothing we got, but matched output is 2 rows and they are not passed to OLEDB command. It is stopped at the conditional split itself because the values are exactly same. So if it found as a new record, it will insert. If it is an existing record and if there is a change in the designation, it will modify. So as an SCD1 you want to implement means this is the logic what you need to define as an SCD1. Thank you.